Hello guys, good evening and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Roadster Manager and you are watching Automania and the weather gods are not merciful. आज मैं जाने वाला था एक राइड पे, सोलो राइड था, लॉन्ग राइड था, 200 किलोमीटर्स में भी, बट कुछ वेदर ठीक नहीं है एंड it's around 5 AM in the morning. It's raining almost heavily and weather बहुत ही ख़राब है एंड इस वेदर कंडीशंस पे बाहर जाना इज़ नॉट सेफ एट ऑल. मतलब कुछ भी रेन गियर पहन लो, कुछ भी पहन लो, इट इज़ नॉट सेफ एट ऑल गाइस. एकदम सेफ नहीं है बिकॉज आई जस्ट शो यू द वेदर. Just have a look. I won't dare to touch my motorcycle in this weather. No. क्योंकि it's not just merely rain, it's thunderstorm. अभी क्या कर सकते हैं, मतलब प्लान तो हो गया चौपट एंड नथिंग कैन बी डन एज ऑफ नाउ. सो वेट करना है वेदर टू क्लियर अप एंड देन मे बी टुमारो और 2 days later आई कैन गो आउट फॉर दैट राइड whatever. और yes I know it's not looking good right now but okay, क्या कर सकते हैं. ठीक है यार, मुझे ना थंडरस्टॉर्म से बहुत ज़्यादा डर लगता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. मतलब आई एम स्केयर्ड ऑफ लाइटनिंग लाइक एनीथिंग. आई एम स्केयर्ड ऑफ लाइटनिंग एंड सो इट द बेस्ट थिंग आई कैन डू इज to avoid. And yes, when you are out on a road trip or out on a ride and sometimes weather like this, you find a weather like this, I know it is very tough but yes, you have to keep riding. In that situation, be very sure of using the throttle very controllable way. Like आप अगर ये एक बाइक लेकर चला रहे हो, मतलब यू आर कमिंग बैक होम और गोइंग समवेयर, लाइक इट्स वेरी अर्जेंट, वेदर इज लाइक दिस, सो ट्राई टू राइड वेरी स्लोली बिकॉज द विंड इज रियली फास्ट. तो मतलब ऐसा जब विंड आए, मतलब ऐसा थंडरस्टॉर्म आए एंड योर बाइक इज अ वेरी लाइट मोटरसाइकिल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ इट्स अ KTM which is very light or even a lower cc motorcycle, 100cc, 125cc, which is very light motorcycle, like normal on highways the bike tends to swivel a lot and starts to play along a lot. So in that situation, be very careful and do not give a lot of throttle. Be very gentle on the throttle. Do not push like a crazy manner. Don't be in a rush to go home. Yes, I know everybody wants to go back to the destination safely, but safety comes first before even going home. So be very safe about the weather conditions, the throttle, the braking. Yes, the braking is the most important thing guys, but because yes, we do have ABS. I know we do have ABS. Most of the bikes have ABS, but we don't have traction control. We don't have cornering ABS and all. We don't have. Normal motorcycle doesn't have that. And if you are having a motorcycle or a scooter which doesn't even have ABS, so that's a huge issue because the roads will be wet in this kind of conditions. Wind is there. The wind is very risky. The roads will be semi-wet, like it's not raining heavily, but it will be wet. There will be a lot of dust and mud coming around in front of your eyes. So that's another issue to tackle with. So be very careful on the brakes. I know अगर कोई ट्रक या कार सामने आ जाती है, उस time you have to give hard braking. There is no other way out. You have to give hard braking. But that can be managed by controlled braking. Like it depends upon कितना साल से आप बाइक चला रहे हो, कितने साल से आप यू आर इनटू बाइकिंग. सो डिपेंड्स अपॉन एक्सपीरियंस हाउ यू कैन कंट्रोल दैट ब्रेकिंग. बट व्हाट आई वुड से इज try braking not in a panic way. मतलब do not brake in a panic way. Don't be panic. Don't get worried. Don't tension मत खा जाना रास्ते पे अगर ऐसी सिचुएशन हो. Keep calm and do the braking and be very gentle on the throttle guys. Because ऐसा बहुत बार हम लोगों ने देखा है कि scooters and bikes are skidding off the road and which is really very dangerous guys. बहुत ही ज़्यादा dangerous है the situation when कोई कार सामने आ जाती है अचानक in this weather और कोई गाय या कुत्ते आपके सामने आ जाते हैं in the road. So that is very risky. You can try one thing. If that's an animal or a bike or something in front of you, suddenly that pops up, you can do something and try to avoid that instead of braking. Speed slow kar do. Try not to brake as hard as possible. Try to brake in a gentle manner. Try to avoid that animal or bike, whatever is in front of you suddenly. Try doing that because otherwise लाइफ विल बी इन डेंजर मैन, बिकॉज एंड फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर ऐसा वेदर है और आपको आप बाहर हो, ट्राई टू स्टॉप टिल द वेदर क्लियर्स ऑफ. ट्राई टू स्टॉप गाइस. मतलब कोई मतलब नहीं है ऐसा बाइक चलाने का एंड टू कीप योर सेल्फ एट रिस्क, टू कीप योर लाइफ एट रिस्क. कोई मतलब ही नहीं है कि लाइफ कम्स फर्स्ट. एवरीथिंग कैन वेट. Your work can wait, your family can wait, your loved ones can wait, they can wait guys, but what can't wait is your life. You cannot take risk in your life like this. Better to कहीं पे रुक जाओ, कोई रोड साइड शॉप या ढाबे पे रुक जाओ, let the weather clear on, then you can go home. And it's raining heavily a bit, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत heavily हो रहा है. and कुछ दिनों से यहाँ पे ना बहुत गर्मी चल रही है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा गर्मी, बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी. So yes, for me it's a bit relaxing this weather condition, क्योंकि यार I hate summer like anything. The bikes will be hitting like crazy. मेरा सर भी गर्म हो जाता है and I really hate these summer conditions. And as you can see it's raining right now. And इस सिचुएशन में तो मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकता बाइक लेकर बाहर जाने का. Yes, rainy ride तो ठीक है, लेकिन I don't like rainy rides. So anyways, it's raining heavily right now. I'll go back in. And finally the rain has stopped, weather has cleared up, but there is another problem. That is when you are like agar aap bahar ho and the weather has cleared off, yes, you can easily come back home or go to the destination you want. But the main problem lies of the road conditions, क्योंकि इस बारिश के बाद ऐसे बारिश के बाद normally the roads will be very wet and slippery. And when you are riding your motorcycle in these conditions, you have to be very sure that आपका throttle control, throttle modulation बहुत smooth रहे. and अगर आपका बाइक में ABS नहीं है तो आपका braking भी controlled होनी चाहिए. Otherwise there is a high chance of your scooter or motorcycle getting off. So be very safe guys. And if you're having a higher cc motorcycle, anything above 600, and that has no traction control and all, it's better not to take that take that bike on a ride in these weather conditions. Yes, if you're already out, you have to be very slow and returning back. Be very safe while riding, because there is no traction and the power is huge. What happens is you will end up in a ride which is not so comfortable and not so, you won't enjoy that because of the tire slipping every time now and then. That is not so much comfortable. So you need to understand your riding style. Yes, many people do enjoy riding in the rain. They enjoy the feel, the kick which they get while riding in the rain. But it's about the experience. Yes, if you're experienced enough, if you have done endless amount of long trips during monsoon and all, I'm pretty sure then it won't be a problem for you. But if you're having not so much experience, like, then prefer, and in normal bikes it's not a problem, but if you're having a high cc motorcycle, try not to be out with that motorcycle on the rain, because that might create some problem with you. Because initial days when I was riding my GT650, I faced a lot of problems during the rainy season, because whenever I give throttle, the tire is to spin, because the torque is a hell lot, and there is no traction control. So that is something to be taken care of when you're riding in the rain. And yes, it's about experience. The more you ride, the more confidence you'll get, and the more safer you will feel. It's all about giving more time. It's all about having that experience. It's all about enjoying that. Anyways, I hope I could give you a clear review about riding in the rain and this thunderstorm. देखो जैसे ये thunderstorm, it was round about for only 15-20 minutes. So the weather cleared up completely. Right now there is no rain, and you can easily continue your ride, continue your journey. But the change will come in the road conditions, the riding conditions. As you could hear, बारिश फिर और भी होने वाली है in the next 1 or 2 hours, as you can hear it. So the problem is not with you, problem is in the condition. So be very safe. You know one thing, that you can be safe rider, but the other riders or other people around you, they might not be safe. So you have to think and look at everywhere when you're riding. Look at the mirrors, look at the front, and try to modulate your speed. Try to be in control speed, because if you're in control speed, the braking will be proper and you can bring the bike to a halt in case of emergency. But if the speed is beyond, like it's 80 plus, 90 plus in these conditions, I don't think it's safe enough. Guys, yes, you can ride. Definitely, if you're a talented rider, you can ride, but it's not safe enough. You can be good, but other people's aren't, maybe. you know, there can be a dog, stray dog that can just come in between. What would you do that time? It would be a huge risk, right? So it's better to, you know, be safe, be on the safer side, and be on a control speed in these conditions. Guys, let me know what you think about this topic which we discussed. And I thought, because it's raining, I should discuss it, because I was about to go on a ride right now, and I cancelled every plan because of the weather conditions. Better to be safe. And yes, I can go on a ride for some later time. So guys, let me know what you think about these rainy conditions riding, monsoon riding. I will be making more episodes on this one, but right now the main problem is when I'm doing motor vlogging outside in the rainy season, that time GoPro won't support mic support. There is no mic support during winter, during rainy season, because I have to put the adapter. Whenever I put the adapter on a GoPro, you know, with the Ulanzi case on my helmet, immediately the GoPro is not waterproof anymore. So I'm very scared of, you know, damaging my GoPros. That's the reason I cannot vlog in the rainy season. And not only me, all the vloggers right now, you can ask anybody, they face the exact same problem. Yes, you're paying 40,000-50,000 for your GoPro, the latest one, but still it is not waterproof without the actual company battery door. The moment you fix the company battery door and the OEM battery door in GoPro, you cannot fix any external mic, which means you cannot talk while doing motor vlogging. That's a huge discredit. And the moment you change the door, use Ulanzi case or external adapter, the GoPro is not waterproof anymore. So we miss out vlogging in the rainy season. Otherwise it would have been so much fun to vlog in the rainy season, and in the, you know, in the situation where there is storm or, you know, it's raining heavily. But unfortunately we can't. So anyway, that's a miss out. Hopefully some product will come out in future which we can use and vlog in the rainy season. Anyways, that was some other topic, and we'll talk in this topic in some other vlog. And I hope I could give you a clear review about riding in the rain, and be safe, be a safer rider. What I'm trying to do is to educate more people to be a safer rider, because that will increase your riding experience for a longer time and may help you enjoy this experience of riding. So yes, that's it for this video. Let me know how did you like this. If you like, you know what to do, like, comment, share and subscribe to Automania for exclusive automotive content like these. And yes, don't forget to follow our Facebook page. The links are given in below in the description box. Our Facebook page, our Instagram page. And yes, don't forget to press the bell notification icon so that you get the updates immediately when we upload any kind of videos. And that brings me to the end of this episode of Automania. And as I always say, wear your helmets when you're riding, wear your seatbelts while driving, and never drink and drive. This is Professional Manager. You're watching Automania, signing off. Ta-da!